Residential property buyers are increasingly demanding modular kitchens, chimney, woodwork, and cabinets in making their choice for their new home. A survey by Housing.com and Narejco reveals what was earlier more a sales offer is now a necessity for builders to attract home buyers. This is because these fittings could cost a lot upfront and home buyers want ready-to-move-in space. Free lifetime club membership and some white goods like water purifier and microwave follow as amenities buyers are demanding.